See if I can make this pretty quick. This is my 4S in silver vein. I'm gonna start with a hutch. Got a couple of lights. A 14.4 light I just got. It's pretty nice. It's not as bright as I thought it would be. It's a snap-on magnetic. This light right here, I love it. It's one of the ones that goes under the hood, but it's got a magnet on it. I use it all the time. Snap-on Bluetooth speaker, sounds really good. These are my Matco T-handle torx. These are my Matco T-handle Allen wrenches. My snap-on standard metric. These are the ball ones. I really like them. That's my snap-on breaker bar, my monster. We'll start in the top drawer. This is my junk drawer. This is my wrench drawer. I use the Matco organizers. I hadn't found anywhere to put that right now. And those are the standard, and then these are the metric. I just laid them in there for now. I like the organizers. It can get expensive. If I had to do it all over again, probably wouldn't. Probably go a different route with it. Over here is this is my 3/4 standard. The metric I hadn't got yet, and these are just my overflow sockets. Once I get my metric 3/4 in here, I'll take those out. This organizer's in that too. This is my socket drawer. Same thing. Once you start buying the socket holders, it gets crazy expensive. This is my standard side. My quarter wrenches are up here. Shallow, deep, chrome, impact. These are my 3/8 shallow, deep. And then my impact 3/8 shallow, deep. My 12.38 shallow, deep. My 1/2 inch impact shallow, deep. And then I got my 12 1/2 inch chrome standard. I still got to get some deep. I had some deep, but I took them out. Over here will be my metric 1/4 inch shallow, deep, impact and chrome. And then here is my metric 3/8 shallow, deep, chrome. And then my impact shallow, deep, 12 point shallow, 12 point deep. My 1/2 inch shallow, deep. These are 1/2 inch Tecton chrome sockets I bought. I figured I'd give it a try. I couldn't pass it up. It was 10 millimeter to 38 millimeter with no skips. I bought it. We'll give it a shot. If I don't like it, I'll put them in my toolbox at home. These are my Matco driveline sockets. My Matco 3/4. Love this thing. Extendable handle. This is my Pittsburgh 1/2 inch pull handle. Love it. This is my 3/4 ratchet. It's a proto, and then it's just a Chinese pull handle. 3/4. Over here is my ratchet drawer. Once again, the organizer's expensive. I try to get all my Matcos orange and my snap-ons green, but I got to get this red one changed out. These are my quarters. I love this thing here, this long quarter wrench. These are my snap-on. This is my quarter, 3/8. This is my just regular snap-on quarter wrench. This is my 3/8 long. It's my 3/8 Matco, 3/8 Matco. This is my old school snap-on. Had it a long time. Snap-on 1/4 inch pull handle, 1/4 inch slider, T-handle, whatever. It's my I think it's a Napa 1/2 inch breaker bar, Craftsman flex head, snap-on 1/2 inch pull handle. This is my Matco 3/8 pull handle. I got a couple of loose Craftsman's laying in there, and this is my Cobalt 3/8 pull handle. I'm not brand specific. You know, if I like it, I buy it. This is these are my long torx set. I got it on like a BOGO. It was like to buy the set, get the this one here. I think it's 36 inch, maybe. No, it's not 36. I think it's a 24 free. So when I got that, I ended up having to get them all. I had to get that one, and then I got that one there. This is the I forget what you call it, but it's like a big old chisel. I got that to complete the set. These are my regular torx drivers. These are the cabinet screwdrivers. I got 2 Pittsburgh long screwdrivers, and I keep my long extensions in here. So in place it fit. I'll go over here. This is my radiator hose set, my mini pick set, and then there's my Matco pick set. A couple of scrapers. Go into this. This is where I keep all my extensions, my brass punches, a couple of old speeder handles. In here is my chisel set. This is the extended punch set for air hammer. In here is the roll pin punches. And then in here is like a spring-loaded punch set. It's pretty nice. I've used it. I don't use it a lot, but it comes in handy when you don't want to end up beating your knuckles up. Also got a breaker bar in there. Go over to here. This is my power drawer. These are my M18 batteries. These are my M12s. Love my M12 stuff. This is my 14.4, which the other one's in my radio. Go over to here. This is my hammer drawer. Self-explanatory, I guess. This is my screwdriver drawer. These are my snap-on screwdrivers, my scrapers. I bought these Cobalts. I got them on sale. Got a good deal on them. I actually use them a lot, but if you're a mechanic, you know what I'm talking about. But every mechanic in the shop needs a loaner set of tools, especially if you're working around drivers. These are my long plier sets. I'm gonna hand it up with 2. I think these are Mac, and then these are Matco. This is my electric conglomerate drawer, I guess. I keep my flashlights in here. A snap-on neck light, I like that. Milwaukee headlamp, love it. This Milwaukee M12 soldering iron, I've seen a bunch of bad reviews on it, but I'm telling you, this thing has worked for me every time. There's your test light with the voltage on it. Power probe. This is my snap-on multimeter. Don't use it a lot, but when you're working on forklifts and even on vehicles and you need like a helping hand, it's perfect because you can set it up, Bluetooth it to your phone. You can check voltages without being there. This is my Allen drawer. These are my Allen screwdrivers, I guess you can call them. These are socket, ball socket. This is my Mac tool set. I've had those a long time, and then just a regular Allen set. This is my electric drawer. I have just about gotten all the way from, I have a pneumatic drawer. I don't spend a lot of time in it since they come out with this hair stuff. As you can tell, I like the M12 line. My M18 Sawzall, M12. This is my angle drill, right angle impact, 1/4 inch. This is that little, looks like a saw cut-off tool, maybe DeWalt grinder. This is my 1/2" Fuel M12. Love it. My Snap-on 14-4 extended ratchets. I love both of them. M12 drill, impact driver. M18 drill, impact driver. M12 1/4" chuck driver, drill, stubby 3/8 impact, regular driver 1/2" impact. Let's see if we can scoot over. This is my jumbo wrench drawer. Keep my pipe wrenches in there. My PWZs, love those things. Big crescent wrench. This is my plier drawer. It's about as disorganized gets. I tried it, ran out of room, but just normal, I would say normal pliers, but not pinch pliers. This is my pneumatic drawer. I hardly use it, but I love that thing there, Matco 1/2" stubby. Pack. I don't think I missed anything. Cases upon cases upon cases. We're starting the drawers. I use these to take off the air dryer filters. Use it when I'm adjusting clutches. Found this thing a long time ago when we moved into a house. It was under a house. I don't know what it is. I just kept it though. Thought it was pretty cool. This is my drawer of things, junk. I don't know what I call it. Get that out of the way. We'll start up here. Drill bits. Some more drill bits. Can't have enough. This is my Milwaukee drill bit set. Snap-on filter wrench set, or Blue Point. This right here, I think it's my O2 sensor remover set. Leave that there. This is my tap and die set. It is the SAE. I also have the matching metric version of it, which is right there. This is my Mac Tools triple square set. Oh, got some drills. Oh, what else is in here? I think these are my flip sockets. Yep. Flip sockets. This is my impact driver. This is used for changing filters. Just random drill bits. This is my Matco infrared temperature. Sorry about that. I'm trying to hurry this up. Just some saws. This is my gear wrench. Nice small ratchet set. This is my Snap-on 1/4" torque wrench, non-ratcheting. This is my Snap-on 3/8. Also have Matco 3/8. Sorry, trying to rush. This is my Matco 1/2 inch. Right there. Brake bleeder set. This is high-speed saw kit. It's my gear wrench, ratchet driver. Get that out of there. Brake bleeder. See if we can move that. This is a pressure test set. Yeah, got that in there to try to keep stuff from bouncing around. Bearing race driver set, pneumatic. Love it. Beats missing and knocking the snot out of your hand. This is my snap ring set. This is a hydraulic crimper. This is a rethreader kit, snap on. Didn't have much need for that. That's my respirator for when we paint. Just a Dremel tool. That's your serpentine belt set. This is my torx set. This is your turbo air kit. I ordered this thing because we were working on a DT. Ordered it, never used it. Of course, that's how it goes. You need something, buy it, and then you either use it once and don't need it, or figure out you didn't need it anyway. This is pull set. Prepared to do this. Keep everything from falling out. This is my air saw. Set. Last but not least, my favorite tool, Here's your fan clutch, tool pneumatic. And I think that's gonna about do it.